know that? Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward, and the sword-billed hummingbird has the longest bill relative to body size of any bird. The lyrebird can mimic a wide range of sounds, including chainsaws and camera shutters, and the lyrebird's tail feathers resemble a lyre, and they use them in courtship displays. To keep warm in frigid conditions, penguins have a layer of insulating blubber under their skin, similar to many marine mammals. This layer helps them survive the extreme cold of their habitats. Puppies are born blind, deaf, and toothless. Their senses gradually develop over the first few weeks of life. Crows stand out as one of the avian world's brilliant minds, using tools ingeniously to tackle problems and secure their meals. The kookaburra's call sounds like human laughter. Isn't it cool? Starlings can mimic a wide range of sounds, including car alarms. Owls' specialized wing feathers enable them to fly in near silence, which makes them stealthy hunters. The Andean condor is one of the world's heaviest flying birds. Their weight is around 33 pounds. Have you seen them flying? That's all for now. Like my video and share it with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See ya!